Miguel Farinas. I started coming to family chiropractic because of scapular pain and lower back pain that I was having. After a few months of coming here, the doctor was able to get me in alignment, help me with my pain. I was able to move in ways that I've never been able to move before, get back into training. It helped me in ways that I can't even start to explain. I've had stomach issues that went away, headaches that went away, just so much. I recommend this to anybody, friends, family, just people on the street. If you have any kind of issues, this is the best thing to do, is come see your chiropractor and come see a family chiropractic.